Crypto living. Okay, guys, what is up? Crypto Keith here, and I'm going to do a quick update about this week, what's happening in cryptocurrency, and just try to do a more quick review, so it's not a long hour-long live stream like usual. So I need to get in the routine and get used to making these shorter videos. So we're not going to obviously go into depth with too much, but there is a video before this where I go into depth more, and I'll throw links down below if I get a chance, or you can go to my Twitter and see most of these stories there. And also down below here, you can see a lot of stories. If I miss something, it'll be down there. So, the biggest thing that happened this week, obviously, is, and most surreal seeming, is BitConnect shut down their lending, shut down their exchange, stuck everybody with bags of worthless BitConnect coins. Now the markets also crashed, and this could be a big reason why this happened. So there's a lot of backlash to these YouTubers that were promoting it and things like that. So we've dedicated, we're going to start tomorrow, every Sunday, doing a scam watch video, doing scam reviews and looking for scams in the community to watch out for, as well as scammers. So hit that bell and you'll get notified as soon as we're doing that stream. So that happened. A lot of these YouTubers took down their videos where they were promoting Bitcoin. A lot of them still protecting and defending BitConnect, saying that it helped them out, it helped make them give them a better life. Obviously they have a better life, but a lot of the people underneath them don't. They lost a lot of their savings, and sometimes their whole savings, their mortgage, and millions, billions of dollars were taken out of this coin. Bitcoin was removed out of this coin, and so this is a typical pyramid scheme, and it's very clear now, but we didn't, some people didn't see it at the time, or they did see it and they just wanted to invest in something more risky. They liked the rush, and they liked investing in something they knew was a scam. Also, scams can be very profitable if you get in them in the beginning at the right time. And so we're going to share with you this other scam that is surfing the internet. It's called Super Cool Amazing Money. It's a token, it's an ICO being launched, and on their website they blatantly say this is a scam. So this is a super cool amazing money coin. This is a scam. So you can check that website out. We'll be reviewing that a little bit more on tomorrow's video as well, since that is a blatant scam and they're trying to profit off this model where people obviously look at BitConnect, it was worth billions of dollars. People obviously like investing in scams. Also, we have Jamie Dimon, news that he makes now $29.5 million a year, and he's the only person at JP Morgan that has gotten, I think it's a 6% raise this year, and we see him talking bad about Bitcoin, driving the price down with FUD, and then talking good about Bitcoin, driving the price up with hype. We also see JP Morgan getting into blockchain and Bitcoin futures, and kind of coincides with the price going down is when a lot of these future short bets are placed, and those are expiring here now in the past couple days, and in this week. So you're going to see the price go up now, and then watch for these people to talk good about Bitcoin while they take the long position and ride the trend up. Also, we have DataDash that apologizes for accepting $300,000 from Substratum coin to promote their coin and not telling his followers. Well, he's come out now and tell his followers because by law he has to. And karma got him because his coins are stuck in a drive that he can't access. Also, we had the crypto cruise. Names like John McAfee going there, probably to get more deals with, people that are trying to start ICOs. It seems like a lot of people are there that have a project coming up, an ICO launch coming up, and he's probably going there to find people to shill their coin, right? To promote their coin, and then maybe blackmail them in the future if the coin does bad and his name looks like it's going to be ruined. So we see also Tron launching Tron Dogs January 22nd. A lot of drama surrounding Tron. People are saying their marketing tactics are a little bit sketchy, a little bit amateur, and other people saying, that it's going to go up a lot in 2018. So we have, people that were into the project losing confidence. They also had their white paper said to be plagiarized, and their code taken straight from Ethereum. So Filecoin was the white paper that they were said to have copied parts of. Tron saying it's a translation error. Also, we have a couple traders getting charged with insider trading, a couple people, government officials in South Korea getting charged with insider trading, and so we're seeing all sorts of people getting charged, and law enforcement really taking a step up and going all in and attacking and basically halting this insane amount of innovation that's been going on, as well as this insane amount of scamming and taking advantage of this wealth, this new found wealth created in cryptocurrencies and blockchain. So I'm not going to talk about too much more, but I will go over some news that I didn't mention in the last video, and then again down there's a lot of things going on as well. So Venezuela, they're trying to launch their oil-backed petrodollar cryptocurrency, as well as Russia trying to launch their crypto ruble, which the central bank of Russia now put a halt to, but I'm not sure. They also were talking about creating a universal international cryptocurrency, and I don't think that one will be called the ruble, but you never know. So Venezuela just backlashed to this fake white paper that is circulating the internet. So if you see a white paper about this oil-backed petrodollar, it's fake, or a website. There's not one that exists right now. And then there's more news about that coming up. Also, we have Toronto councillor that wants to report on using cryptocurrencies for tax and ticket payments. So I'm here in Canada, so Toronto is the closest big city to me. I go to Toronto every once in a while, and plan on starting some Bitcoin meetups in Toronto. But I was talking about taxes yesterday and focused on a live stream specifically on taxes because I went and did my taxes and talked to a tax expert yesterday. So this now kind of relates to that. Toronto, because I was talking a lot about Canada taxes, Toronto councillor, you're going to see a lot of this coming up closer to tax season in I think it was India. It should be down there. Just got letters in the mail. Every trader got letters in the mail urging them to pay their taxes because they got data from exchanges, and you're going to see lots of little nudges and hints for you to pay taxes because it's the only way they can really get you to. They can't force you to pay taxes, so they have to make you believe that the pressure's on you so that you do pay. So that's what I think this is, has to do with this Toronto story. Also in Toronto, we have, in Canada, we have this new cryptocurrency for medical cannabis. Medical cannabis is being legalized in 2018. It was supposed to be last year, but Justin Trudeau, our Prime Minister, pushed it forward to this year. So I have money in in marijuana stocks. So cryptocurrency, marijuana stocks. Yeah, I own Potcoin. I've owned that for over a year, almost 2 years now, and it hasn't done very much. Yes, it had 1 or 2 pumps, but there's a lot of these types of projects. But this one, the co-founder is saying that so it's the co-founder at Cana SOS Corp, Toronto-based internet technology company, is hoping its cryptocurrency called Perks Coin token will be the future of buying and selling pot. So really, it's not a cryptocurrency for marijuana. It's a technology company, and that's using blockchain technology that caters a token that could be used in the medical marijuana industry. And so, marijuana stocks have shot up in the past months, and there's a lot of hype going on there because they're about to legalize it. And I always say the hype, it's best to sell right before any launch. The hype is greatest before, and you'll start to see that pattern in cryptocurrencies. Okay guys, just a couple more things because this is supposed to be a short video. Venezuela rejects this fake news of their white paper for their coin. Greg Maxwell resigns from Blockstream to focus on deep work protocol. Non-Koreans prohibited from KRW or Korean won deposits at all domestic cryptocurrency exchanges. So there was some FUD going around, and probably people trying to that had short orders in for Bitcoin futures were spreading this fake news about South Korean regulations and banning of cryptocurrency. So there's been all sorts of stories that are saying that that's not true, but we do have this. So I don't know how true this is, if it's just FUD too, but it's not as big of a claim. Just you're not allowed to buy in with Korean won. So they don't want the Korean won leaving their country. That's the problem. They don't, and this might happen. You might see this more and more. That's why I focus on a lot of these stories. They might be in another country, but if it's happening there, you'll see it happening here very soon. We're getting closer and closer to, this world where all governments work together and talk together, and that's the ultimate goal of, these people in power to create, the one world government, so to speak, where all your, where there's a one world currency that supposedly they've been saying before cryptocurrency existed that they wanted this to be in a chip in your body as well as your identification. We're starting to see that be possible, as well as Russia planning their world currency. And we also saw that in the 1988 Economist magazine, the front page was "Get ready for a world currency," with burning money, a phoenix rising from the ashes, holding a coin that had a 1 and a 0 on it, and it said 2018. So is this the currency that Russia is planning to build, to create for international trade and things like that, that they say 41% of the population could be using? I guess we'll have to see. Venezuela to issue petro cryptocurrency through token sale, plans to tax deals to bolster adoption. So they're going to give you tax cuts and things like that probably. And they also got teams of miners together already, young people that would like to mine this coin to make a profit. So this is really coming, coming a long way. Portuguese bank backs down, allows Bitcoin-related transaction. OKCoin, formerly largest cryptocurrency exchange in China, is going to launch in South Korea. take advantage of that market. Russia's largest bank has launched a blockchain laboratory. See, Russia, they're going to take this over. One world currency, one world, new world order style. Israel tax authority is looking to collect from ICOs. So, you know, there hasn't been much focus on ICO taxes, but it's becoming more and more looked at for a source of revenue for these governments that they're missing out on. All these, you know, ICOs are a good way to take money from another country and bring it into your country without having to export any products or ruin your environment, other than mining and taking power. And there's been a lot of, you know, controversy surrounding that. And I don't believe it's a problem, the amount of mining power. Ultimately, these coins are becoming more proof of work, so we use less electricity. So about it, guys. So top secret CSIS document explores mega trends and how they will affect the economy, society, and security. The CSIS is the Canadian Security Intelligence Service, the CIA of Canada, if you will. And from cryptocurrencies to artificial intelligence to the rise of millennials, a top secret document by Canada's spy agency explores the so-called megatrends on its radar and details how they will transform the economy, society, and security. Okay guys, that's about all for today. I hope you learned something and enjoyed this video, and we will see you next time.
Reading fortune, I just got the news. I can be a millionaire too. Check the OP, what did he do? Gas in his bag so they go to the moon. Spent half an eighth, I got a million coins like the real McCoy. You know I feel that joy, cause if it goes to a buck I won't believe my luck. And now 10 on my Lambos for me and my friends. Butterfly doors but I'm already in dock. Trump is like Biff from a squad on the block. Can't wait, I hold alive. Chat rooms we scroll at night. Bitcoin ether, been told twice. Never hold my ish like it's mold divide. Going to the stars cause it's only right. Read the white paper or sold that site. Now I shield my shit coins cause I'm over high.